Ikaw naman. Kung morning ang session ng impeachment court, mag-o-oath kami in plenary ng July 30. Clearly, hindi kami dedire-diretso pag-oath namin. Di ba? The following day na kami mag-o-open ng court, if ever, ng July 30. Anong
Sir, yung
hindi ko maintindihan yun.
day one as impeachment court.
Sir, yung
Pwede ba after the
ba na off-taking nyo, yun din po ba yung
Di ba?
technically pag-convene nyo po at hindi?
Hindi nga eh. Hindi.
So, kaya yung day one, sir, na kayo ay
Naka-
online court.
Gusto ko ang bigay sa inyo na lang yung papel eh. Nakalagay July 30. Proposed yun ha. This is proposed. I told you to give it to them earlier. Proposed yun ha. Lahat to proposed. Again, pinag-uusapan natin lahat to ilang ulit na. Sinulat lang namin para mas maintindihan. Magko-convene ng Senate pag-resume namin, most likely nga July 3. Sabi ko, di ba? June 3. Wala namang session ng July 3. Ganyan, anong game?
Pero sir, kasi di ba, after oath taking, you'll be issuing summons.
The impeachment court is the one that should issue summons, not the plenary.
Kaya nga,
Unless the rules authorize the Senate President to issue it on his own. Kaya depende. Calendar of activities lang ito. Ba't kayo kasi masyado nakatitig at fixated sa impeachment court kung kailan sila magsusuot ng robe? Hindi naman mahalaga yun. Maraming mahalagang bagay na mangyayari at magaganap.
Pero sir,
Bago nun at pagkatapos nun.
pero sir, yung June 3 po na pagsumpa po ninyo, hindi pa kayo impeachment court nun, sir? Pag nag-oath taking kayo as Senator Judge?
Darling, walang kinalaman ng pagsumpa sa impeachment court. The impeachment court would have to convene on a date certain. It's not the oath taking that will determine when the impeachment court will be created. Yung impeachment court, pag nag-convene kami sa impeachment court, doon uupo sa impeachment court yon, regardless of when we took our oaths. In fact, yung labing dalawa na magpapatuloy hanggang 2028, hindi na nga mag-o-oath. So, ibig sabihin ba, walang impeachment court? Hindi naman din. Wala siyang kinalaman doon. It has no relation to that. It depends on when and how the gavel is banged at kung anong sinabi na kino-convene. Impeachment court ba o Senate ba? That's what will determine when the impeachment court will be convened. Yung pagpukpok ng gavel. Yes.
Sir, according to the letter that was shared on your Viber GC, ang schedule ng trial by June 30 is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
That's what we're proposing, but again, this is a proposal subject to the majority so that our legislative work will not be affected.
Sir, I will admit that I was already here during the Corona trial. I remember noon to Sawa. Bakit hindi ganun ang schedule yung time?
Yung trial?
Oo. Kasi nung Corona to Sawa.
Again, kasi naepektuhan ng labis yung aming legislative function at legislative work. Ngayon, malaking bahagi ng corona impeachment nangyari din nung recess. So wala naman talagang sesyon. Committee hearing lamang ng umaga ang meron. So pwede talaga yon. Pero kung meron kaming sesyon, hindi namin pwedeng isuspended animation ang legislative work ng Senado, lalo na pag-uusapan dyan, yung pinaka-importanting piraso ng legislasyon na dapat ipasa ng Kongreso ang tao ng budget.
Sir, pero kung 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at itong i-adopt by your colleagues, kailan ang schedule nyo for committee hearings? Kasi you will all be...
We will allow committee hearings to conduct hearings. We will allow committees to conduct hearings during session. Unless may kailangan pagbotohan that their physical presence would be needed in plenary.
So, it will be like 3 onwards yung committee hearings?
Yes. No, that is the proposal in order to make the most of our time. Kasi kung gagawin namin hapon, hindi kailan naman kami magsesesyon. Mas madaling payagan yung mga committee mag-hearing habang may sesyon by way of an exemption to our rules. Para sa gayon, magawa namin yung pareho pa rin. Madalas naman, kailangan lamang ang quorum kapag ka nagda-third reading kami sa simula at sa attendance, hindi ba? So pagkatapos nun, pwede na at kaya na.
Sir, you mentioned that you also wrote the parties, the prosecution and the defense?
Basically informing them of the letters we sent out and the memo that we sent out to the officials of the Senate.
The letter to the parties also has the proposed timetable.
Yes.
So essentially,
As an attachment to the letters to the senators.
so essentially kung ano yung sinare nyo sa amin, can we get a copy of the letters to the parties?
Yes. At pinabigay ko na kanina pa eh.
Sir, yung pong kukuhain natin na private lawyers,
Ibigay nyo na nga. Bigyan nyo kayo. Ilang kopya meron kayo? Isa lang o tatlo? Kulang yan. Isang kopya lang yan.
Hindi sa laptop na.
Kasi naman.
sir, yung legal
Tatanda
team,
ako sa inyo.
yung legal team, sir, meron na pong kausap talaga na makakapartner yung Senado.
Wala pa. Yung unang kinausap namin, tamo kaya ayokong banggitin sa inyo nung una, tumanggi. Dahil yung kanilang mga commitments prevents them from participating in supposedly highly politically charged cases. So we are still searching. But in the meantime,